Hey guys, if you are sure that your computer or laptop will not be turned on by another person, and therefore you want to get rid of the PIN code and password, then this video is for you. Today we will learn how to remove the PIN and password on the lock screen when logging into Windows 11 with a local account, and how to create or change a PIN and password. And so, we begin. We click the button, Start. Then, Settings, Accounts. And here we see that now my Windows 11 is running a local account. We press Sign in Options. I click the password, and here it is impossible to delete the password, just change it, but in order to delete the password, we will make a tricky move. Click Change. In this tab you need to enter the current password. Next. Here you need to enter a new password instead of the old one, but we will not enter a password at all, but simply leave the entire field empty, and instead of a password we will have a void. Next. Click Finish. And in this window we will delete the PIN code. We press here. In this tab, we can change or delete the PIN code. I click Remove. Then again, Remove. Okay, I deleted the PIN code. Close all windows, and let's restart the PC to check the result of our actions. Yes, we did everything right, and now you no longer need to enter a PIN code or password every time you turn on the computer. In order not to leave your computer unprotected, you can recover the PIN code and password to enter Windows. Press the button, Start. Then, Settings, Accounts, Sign in Options. Click here. Click Add, and enter a new password. You must enter the new password again. Here you need to enter a password hint in case you suddenly forget your password. Next. Click Finish. And now we will create a new PIN code if you want to improve the security of your computer. Press Set App, here enter your new password. OK. Enter your new PIN here. Enter your PIN again. OK. Let's restart our computer and see how the new PIN code or password works. Yes, and now we did everything right and our computer is again securely protected, and I hope that what I just said could help you, and if you found it useful, please share my video with anyone. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.